You are all welcome to the delicious kitchen. Lovelies, join me to prepare this super delicious traditional chicken curry recipe. This is a must try for everyone. It is simple, direct, but tastes super delicious. The exact measurement will be found in the description box or in the comment section. Let's get it started. In a pot, I'm going to pour vegetable oil and I will add onions into it. You can dice the onion or you slice it. Into it, I'll be adding diced garlic cloves. And what I have here are curry, garlic powder, bay leaves, thyme, and oregano. I'm going to pour them into it. Exact measurement is in the description box or comment section. I added all the herbs into it and I'll be adding black pepper as well. So I'll mix together and allow it to fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you, my subscribers, my friends. Thank you so much for all your comments, for sharing my videos. Thank you for your support. Into this, I'm going to add well-washed chicken breast. I cut it into bite sizes, yes, and I added salt into it now. After that, I'm going to add seasoning and I'm going to give it a good mix. Let them be well combined. You don't need to add water at this stage, please. Now cover and allow it to cook. It's going to produce its own juice. Look at it. I cooked for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, now it's okay. I'm going to take them out of the sauce. You can see how it produced its own juice and the aroma in this kitchen is amazing. So I'm going to keep this for later use. The chicken. So into this super gravy sauce I have there, I added tomato puree into it and I also added chili flakes. I'm going to add diced tomatoes and diced paprika into this and I gave it a good mix for them to become one. So lovelies, at this stage you need to cover it and let them cook together. This is super, my guys. After 5 minutes I added a chicken breast into this and I combined them very well. If you have watched it up to the stage, please remember to share this video, give it a like, and please give it a try. I'll be using this seasoning mixture. It's optional. It's time to mix together, taste for salt or seasoning, and then cover them and allow them to simmer together. Lovelies, look at what we have here. This is super quick. It is super easy, but the amazing is the taste. Yes, let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to you all in India. Let me say Dhanyavad. Thank you for the super amazing recipe. I loved it and I'm introducing it to you. Give it a try. Serve this with rice, with basmati rice, with longkon rice, even with ofada rice. You will love this. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a like if you like what you've just seen. Comment and share. Thank you.